Welcome to JCA.
Hello, future angels and hilltoppers. Welcome to Joliet Catholic Academy, a high school where you will have opportunities to make lifetime friendships before you even begin your first day of school.
I'm Jim O'Brien, Athletic Director at JCA, also an alum of 1992. When I think of JCA, three words come to mind: family, home, and tradition. We have one of the state's most prestigious athletic programs, as you can see by the banners behind me. We are very proud of those banners, not only from a coaching standpoint, but from our players. They worked tremendously hard to accomplish those goals, and I could not be more proud of them. Our coaches are tremendous. Not only are they tremendous coaches, but they are even better people. It makes me proud to stand beside them. We had a school record 4 state championships: football, wrestling, bass fishing, and baseball. Let me explain this a little farther. We have 24 sports. 12 boys and 12 for the girls. We had 14 of those 24 sports compete in state finals, whether as individuals or as a team. Again, so proud of them. We're also proud of our sportsmanship awards that hang on the other side of our gymnasium. That is who we are at Joliet Catholic Academy. We are a family. We are a team. Future angels and hilltoppers, we will play hard. We will play fair. We will play by the rules. We will play for the name on the front of our jersey. We will not play for ourselves, but we will play for each other. And that also holds true for my team up here in athletics, and as well as the faculty and staff here at JCA. We are not here for ourselves, but for you. And how can we talk about athletics without talking about our Hill Zone, our student section? They are one of the best in the state, and they cheer for every one of our athletes. And I encourage all of you to join when you are not in season. We are known for many things at Joliet Catholic Academy. being a family, strong academics, strong leadership qualities. We want our students to take what they have learned here after they have graduated and go out and apply that to the real world. Parents, I know I can speak for the rest of the faculty and staff that we would be honored for you to send your son or daughter here to JCA. Now students, I have a question for you. Do you want to be the next addition to the greatest tradition? Go Hill, go Angels.
For more information, please visit our website.